Systems of linear equations. Methods for solving them. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are linear equations? 2. How do we plot the graph of a linear equation? 3. What are the systems of linear equations? 4. What is the solution set of a system of linear equations? 5. How do we solve systems of linear equations? 6. How to verify whether a system of linear equations is solved correctly or not. Introduction. In previous tutorials we discussed first-order equations with one variable and second-order equations with one variable. In both types, we need a single equation to solve them because these equations contain a single variable. Now we will build on that knowledge and explain how to deal with situations involving two variables in the same equation. Since there are many possible combinations that may return a true value, we need a second equation to calculate the exact value of the variables. In this way we obtain systems of linear equations, which are solved simultaneously, as we will see in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to systems of linear equations. Methods for solving them. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 9.7.1, Linear Equations Definition. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.